This is our computer ultra high-speed sewing machine. This series of models is suitable for all kinds of thick materials. Medium thick material, fabric edging or seam work. It is used for automatic lubrication device operation, which is smooth and free. You can also sew stable and beautiful threads at high speed. The biggest highlight of this sewing machine is that it can run at high speed. The efficiency of work is called high. Whether you are thick or medium thick, it can cope with it easily. There is no fabric that it can't handle, and it can not only at the edge. The boxing is not out of the question, and the function is super powerful. Meet your diverse sewing needs. It can make the fabric flatter during the sewing process. The stitches are also more beautiful. If you are engaged in sewing-related work or love hand sewing, then this computer directly grabs the ultra high-speed sewing machine. It's definitely your good helper. Don't hesitate, click the shopping link to check the promotional offers.